Hello and welcome to CCNA Lab 007 InterVLAN Routing, or what we call ROAS, or routing on a stick. Today we are configuring this lab. So here's the given topology and tasks. So number one, ping between the PCs. Which pings succeed? So let's start with PC1 and desktop and command prompt. So we're going to ping PC2. So ping 10.0.0.130. So let's wait. As you can see, it fails. How about PC3? Let's wait. Ping 10.0.0.3. As you can see, it works. How about PC4? Ping 10.0.0.131. As you can see, it doesn't work. Why is that? Uh, ang default gateway kasi ng PC1 ay same lang sa PC3. Papakita ko lang kung ano yung command. IP config. So, here is the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. Tapos punta tayo sa PC3 kung pareho. Kung yun ba ang dahilan kung bakit sila nagpiping. Ay, IP config. So, as you can see, pareho sila ng default gateway. How about the PC2? Let's ping PC4. Ping 0.0.131. As you can see, it works. Let's check the default gateway. As you can see, 10.0.0.129. How in PC4, pareho lang sila ng default gateway. IP config. Yan. Ito ang default gateway nila. Kaya pareho sila nagpiping to each other. While dito ay hindi. Kaya ang nagsasucceed lang na pings ay PC1 to PC3 and PC2 to PC4. Yun lang ang for number 1. So number 2, assign PC1 and PC3 to VLAN 13 and PC2 and PC4 to VLAN 24. Paano nga ba to? So, let's go to switch 1. Kasi dito nakakonect yung PC1 and PC2. So, for PC1, we're going to assign this to VLAN 13 and PC2 for VLAN 24. So, let's go to CLI. Enable conft or configure terminal. We're going to interface F01. So, for PC1, int F01. So, paano nga ba natin lalagyan ng VLAN to? So, by using the command switch port mode access. First, and bakit nga ba siya switch port mode access? Uh, well, para ma-configure natin as an access port. So, paano naman natin ita-transfer paano naman natin i-assign ito sa VLAN 13? By using the command switch port access VLAN. Switch access VLAN 13. Sorry about that. Switch. Yan. Bakit nga ba switch mode access VLAN 13? Para ma-assign natin to sa mga specific VLANs. Kaya may VLAN 13 tayo dito. So, we're going to F02 para naman ma-configure yung PC2 as VLAN 24. Same process lang naman sila. So, int F02 switch. mode access, and switch access VLAN 24. So, ayan na. Na-configure na natin, ay na-assign na natin yung PC1 and PC2 sa kanilang specific VLANs. Let's go to switch 2. We're going to do the same process. So, enable, configure terminal, INT F01, switch mode access, and switch access VLAN 13, interface F02, switch mode access, and switch access VLAN 24. There you go. Na-assign na natin yung PC1 and PC3 to VLAN 13 and PC2 to PC4 to VLAN 24. Yeah. Ano na ba natin siya check kung na-assign na natin by using the command do show VLAN brief. Yan. As you can see, meron na active. Tingnan natin dito. Do show VLAN brief. Yeah. As you can see, nailagay na natin. So, here's our number 2. So, number 3, create a trunk link between switch 1 and switch 2. So, paano natin siya makikreate ang trunk? So, let's go back to switch 1. So, since and dito, G02 to G01. So, pupunta tayo ng INT G02. So, ano nga ba yung gagamitin na command para mag-create ng trunk? So, by using the command switch mode trunk. And that's it. We're going to do the same in switch 2, but in G01. So, INT G01, switch mode trunk. There you go. So, bakit nga ba natin siya ginamit ng switch mode trunk? Para ma-configure natin yung mga switch port as a trunk port. Yan lang ang sabihin ng switch mode trunk. Now, natapos na natin yung number 3. So, ayun lang yung number 3. So, number 4, configure inter-VLAN routing by using sub-interfaces on R1's G00 interface. Use an address of 10.0.0.1/25 for VLAN 13 and 10.0.0.129/25 for VLAN 24. So, pupunta na tayo sa router 1. So, paano nga ba natin siya lalagyan ng sub-interfaces sa mga natin interface by using the command conft int g00 and no shutdown. So, bakit nga ba natin siya no shutdown? Para ma-enable natin yung mga ilalagay natin sa mga sub-interfaces natin. So, next is we're going to interface 0/13. Sa sub-interface naman to. So, we're going to use the command encapsulation .1q13 para mailagay natin yung mga specific IP address like this. Yung nag-umpisa muna tayo sa VLAN 13, which is itong 10.0.0.1/25. So, we're going to IP add 10.0.0.1, 255, 255, 255, and 128. Yan, we're successfully add the IP. At nga ba 255.255.255 to 128? Kasi yun po yung nasa CIDR for 25. Yan. Subnets max. Yan. So, punta naman tayo sa interface G0/024. So, same process, encapsulation dot 1Q24 kasi VLAN 24 naman tayo. So, IP add 10.0.0.129.255.255.255.128. Ayan, na successfully na natin na-add yung mga sa sub-interfaces natin. So, we're going back to switch 1 para malagyan naman natin ng trunk between R1 saka switch 1 by going to interface G01 and switch mode trunk. Yan. Para may access na sila sa between R1 and the switch 1. So, let's wait and we're going to number 5, test connectivity by pinging between PCs. So, eto na, susubukan na natin i-ping yung apat na PC. So, ping 10.0.0130. Yan, hintayin lang natin. As you can see, it works. Ulitin ko na lang para consistent. As you can see, nagpiping. How about PC3? Sorry about that. Nalimutan ko yung point 3. So, it works. And lastly, PC4. 0.0.0131. Tayo lang natin. So you can see, it works. Tatry ko po ulit i-ping. Yan, para consistent. And there you go. How about we're going to PC2? Ping 10.0.0.2. Yan, as you can see, gumagana. How about PC3? 10.0.0.3. It works. How about, ulitin ko lang, are consistent. And lastly, how about PC4? 10.0.0.131. It works. So, let's go to PC3 kung gumagana ba talaga silang lahat. Ping 10.0.0.2. Yeah, it works. And ping 10.0.0.130. It works. And lastly, for PC4, ping 10.0.0.131. It works. And let's go to PC4 para makita nga ba kung nagpiping. 10.0.0.2. It works. Ping 10.0.0.130. It works. And lastly, ping 10.0.0.3. It works. That's it for Lab 007 Interbilan Routing ROAS. So thank you.